how long can hearing aids last?
Wow, are you going for the Guinness Book of World Records?
We have some clinic records.
We have clinical records here.
How long has our clinic been open?
We've been open 20 years.
20 years?
We're in the 20th year.
We have a handful of patients that have had their hearing aids, maybe not 20, but close. We've got some patients that are probably 15 years.
Yeah.
Not very many,
yep.
But there are a handful. And
my personal record, and I can't go to 15, but I had a patient, I can name his name, but I won't, but he had his device for 13 years. And I would tell him all the time, like, you've got to be setting some kind of record.
When did the Dot launch? Original Dot?
Ooh, I know who you're thinking about.
Wow. We can't say names.
Oh my goodness, does he still have the Dot? Not the Dot squared, but the Dot?
I think this is original Dot from like 2007.
9, 7, 8.
So 8 maybe,
oh,
yeah.
Wow.
Anyway.
He could be 15, 16.
Geez, so I definitely see patients sometimes that'll get a decade or more out of their hearing aids. It's not the norm.
Well, I only have one patient, but yeah.
It's not the norm,
it's
but
not
you can get a decade if you're...
Yep. You know, and one of the things that we've done as a clinic is we've negotiated with the hearing aid companies to make sure that they will fix a device if someone wanted to wear it for 10 years. After 10 years, they tell us, we don't have the parts, we don't have the ability, the software is come and gone. So after 10 years, that's kind of, I think, the limit for these big manufacturers, but it's tough to keep a hearing device going. That's probably why we don't see it very often.
They're electronic devices, they're being worn, they're exposed to sweat and to dust and to oils, and they just tend to not last quite that long, but sometimes you can get it 10 plus.
What else is interesting is a manufacturer warranty. We can purchase warranties with our patients, with the people that come here, and we can do that for about 4 years. So when a patient starts their 5th year, there's actually no warranty to cover a loss or a damage like the dog bit it or something, or even repairs. For example, my microphones aren't working, or my little button that I usually push to change for different listening environments, my button no longer works. Those kind of things are not covered by manufacturers after that 4th year. And so year 5 and 6, that might be another reason why people just don't want to keep shelling out money to repair their old devices, because why put money into something that's a time bomb? It's literally, I could put $200 to $500 into this and it'll work, but then what's the next thing that's going to fail on this thing? You know, it's kind of a time bomb. So some people, I think, don't like to put money into their device in year 6 and 7 and 8 because they're like, well, that money could have just gone towards something that works a little better. Okay, everybody, we so appreciate you watching the video today. If you've liked what you've seen, please like it, subscribe to our channel. It means the world to us, but it also means the world to other people who are trying to figure out what's going on with their hearing health. So thank you for watching.